Have you ever worked out so much that it became more like a chore and not something that you look forward to? Well, that's what happens when you work out each day. You get burned out really, really fast. The truth is, all you need are 3 to 4 30-minute workouts a week. Focus on the quality of the workouts versus the quantity. A shorter workout where you are targeting your fat burning zone through high intensity strength training and cardio is way more effective than longer 60 to 90-minute workouts. Make your workouts count. Instead of exercising every day of the week and risking injury, focus on 3 to 4 days of intense workouts so you can effectively burn more fat, increase your metabolism, and shed some serious pounds. We just created a fat burning meal plan that has all your meals for an entire 2 weeks. If you would like a copy for free, comment meal below and I'll send you one over.